Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are going to put on a little bit of makeup today. I just filmed the start of a video where I have purchased the Hubble contacts that you guys, I know, see and on Instagram. It's all over the place. So I was like, what's $3? What do I got to lose? Nothing. I hadn't had contacts in like 6 months. What do I have to lose? So I just put a little of the hydrating face cream on from, this is the Bobbi Brown one. And we're going to get into some stuff. We're going to get into some stuff. So I'm going to do a little bit of different stuff today. If I can find all my stuff I want to do different. So I'm going to do a stick foundation and see how it's going to do with my skin, as I am like, I'm having a rough time. I'm really thinking that I need to go get a facial over the holidays while I'm on vacation. Alright. So the first thing I put on was this Revolution Makeup Pro Base Blur Primer. So, if I'm lucky, it'll blur away everything. Somehow I don't feel like I'm going to be that lucky today. Okay. I am now going in with a Revolution Makeup Foundation Stick. I am in F10. Which actually looks pretty good. This is such a creamy foundation stick. So creamy. So creamy. Been a long time since I've worn it. I have been going through foundation and I'm trying to get rid of some stuff. Just, there's so much new stuff out, and then I have some things that just don't work for my skin. And if I don't send it to like Nona and Erica, they'll shoot me. So see that? That really just comes out so beautiful. Today I have my Oh Fudge shirt on. With Ralphie. It's Christmas time. Alright. Let's do, I do have a package to open in a little bit. Erica sent me a package. I should be like, she's such a sweetie. Too kind to me. Way too kind to me. Alright, I'm going to use some of my All-Nighter powder from Urban Decay. You say All-Night powder from Urban Decay? I do say so myself. And I think we're going to do a red eye. Yeah. Yes, I do. That powder seems to be smudging away my foundation a little bit. So we're just going to go back over my nose. Just a couple little dips. Out of all my stick foundations, I think I love this one the most. The only one I have not tried is Hourglass because I hear such mixed reviews about it. Like, my poor little skin is peeling so bad. Okay. So, we's gonna, yes, there you are. There you are, my pretty. We're gonna use the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, just because I feel like being a little crazy. Yeah. I am not gonna put down an eyeshadow primer because I don't think I need it. After all that stuff I just put on my face. Oh, Lord. Some days, you just can't. You just can't make it up some days. So, yesterday, me and Mama went out, and I got my nails done, my hair done. Well, obviously, I got my hair done. You can see that. And they were like, come on, Susan, tell us something we can't see. And then we went to, that was pretty much our day. Like, we were gone for a long time yesterday. It was a long day for me and Mommy. Long day. I know she's tired today. I'm tired today. Alright, so I'm going to be using some different brushes. I mean, you know, I need to spread my wings a little bit. Okay. Alright, so the first shade we're going to go into is this little shade right here. Oh, my nails are green. They're hunter green. Not really hunter green. The camo green. Olive green. They're green. I just don't know which green to say they are. Green. Green, green, green. I think I'm going to take my mom after the holidays, and we're going to go get our brows microbladed. I think I'm going to do it for her birthday, which is January. I can tell you that because she only watches me sometimes when she can figure out how to get to the YouTube, as she calls it. I'm going into this shade right here as a transition. We're just going to start building up that outside a little bit. Yes. You love red as much as I love red. Of course I love red. It's Christmas time. Actually, I'm kind of just testing a look. I have to go to a event. Not anything big. It's a work event. I mean, it's not like I have to put a dress on or anything. But I do want to be festive and holly jolly. So I think I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm going to go in with a little, the brush I was using was a Morphe E27. I'm going to go into a Morphe M41. It's more like a pointed brush. Ooh. That's bright. And I'm going to put that into my crease. Oh yeah, he's bright. I'm being kind of cautious because I don't, it's pigmented, and I don't want it to overpower the look. But it's pretty. Alright. I have a harder time on this side doing this kind of. That's why I do so much of like more of a smoky look, not as much see, it's already messing up. And shadow does not stick to this eye as well as it does the other. And riddle me that. Riddle me that. Alright, I'm just trying to get some color on. Not really blended or anything yet. So I'm debating. I think I might go with this really dark right here. Smoky looking. See how it goes on. That ain't working. This is not working. This is working for you, it's not working for me. I'm just gonna spray my brows with a little bit of foam. May have to go in with my fingers. This is like not as a flat, but like a chunkier. Oh yeah, I see you now. Not sure that's what I wanted to do, but we're doing it. We're there now. We've committed. We're all in. So it's like a black with a little bit of purple and red to it. It wasn't exactly what I was going for, but that's alright. That's alright. We're just going to go in now to this shade right here. It's a little bit lighter, and we'll put that in the front. And this shade is very soft. Like it's going to crumble. Oh, God. Oh, gosh. So, just not feeling it. This is definitely not the look. Although, if I go back in this with some darker, see how much this shade can overpower that dark. Yeah, it's doing a pretty good job taking it away. Alright, so we're going to go back in to the palette, and we're going to use this dark red right here and see if I can deepen this up some. I feel like that's what I was using, but maybe not. Oh yeah. This palette's in desperate need of a black. I need a black. I'm gonna have to pull black out. I'm gonna have to get a black out. Which palette has a black in it? I know one of you do. Be un-American if you didn't have a black. See if my Solstice palette has a black in it. No, that's a chocolate. What's wrong with this picture? Cannot believe it on black. Come on, Susan. Is there a black in this Narcissus palette? Everything is like a chocolate. I want chocolate. I want black. I got more palettes than any one human being should have, and everything is chocolate. That might be alright. So I'm going to go into my Chasing the Rainbows palette. I'm going to pick this dark plum. And I'm going to go in with this little pencil brush right here. See if I can deepen up that B a little bit. Yeah, I think that's better. It's not exactly what I was looking for, but it's better. Oh, this camera's about to die on me. Alright, you guys, I'll be back in 1 second with the rest of my face done and my eyes done, and we'll talk about what I think about this look. I don't think this is going to be my Christmas look, but we'll figure it out. Be back in a second. Hey everybody, I'm back. So this is my completed look. Actually, I am really liking it now. I think it's because I put the darker on the outer V, but I had to go to another palette to get that, but that's okay. Got plenty of them. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how this looked, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.